Now it is time to create the steering column mount. I've cut the stock tube that runs from this side to side and measured the stock placing of the steering column mount, and I've made a attached a rib nut, and now it's hanging pretty freely. Now I'm going to attach the steering column and use the stock wheel to get the right place, and I need to attach the seats also. Did some test sitting and measuring. The rib nut is a bit off. I found out that this hole is in the right place, so I will make the new rib nut just so it stays in place while I make the rest of the mount. And later I will maybe weld it around so it isn't in the whole weight isn't on the rib nut. So I thought about where I welded. There's a holes like these are hollow. I think I will put the tube in and maybe weld it somewhere like here and here. It's pretty much welded in place. Let's try how much it flexes. Maybe need to tighten up. So I need to redo the column mount because either it is too far backwards or the extender piece for the vice fab was too short. So I will just cut it out and shorten the mounting legs. New place, new measurements. Now it feels nicer and the column can be bolted to the mount. Maybe I will tie it to the roll cage when it is time for that. So that was the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and see you later.